Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are those pronouns in which the actions done by the subject reflect upon the subject. These are words like yourself, myself, and herself. What it means? It means reflexive pronouns वो pronouns होते हैं जिनमें जो action होता है उसका असर खुद subject पर पड़ता है. First of all, I'm going to tell you which words are reflexive or emphatic pronouns. Myself, yourself, ourselves, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves. These all words are reflexive and emphatic pronouns. First, and what are subjects of these words? Okay, reflexive pronoun. Subject of myself is I. Subject of ourselves is we. And yourself and yourself, subject of these words is you. Himself, he. Herself, she. Itself, it. And themselves, they. You have to always keep in mind reflexive and emphatic pronouns are used according to their subject. If subject is I, then you will feel only myself. If subject is you, you have to use only ourselves. We can't use any other reflexive or emphatic pronoun with these subjects. So first of all, you have to learn this table. Now I'm giving you example how are these reflexive pronouns used. Like he himself paid the money. He himself. Now you can see subject is he, that's why we have used here himself. Okay, he himself paid the money. उसने खुद मनी पे की. अब यहाँ जो रिफ्लेक्स हमने एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन यूज़ किया है हिमसेल्फ, यहाँ पर जो एक्शन का असर है वो सब्जेक्ट पर ही पड़ रहा है. किस पर पड़ रहा है? सब्जेक्ट पर. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन. लाइक इफ़ आई से मदर कट्स द वेजिटेबल, इस सेंटेंस में जो मदर कट कर रही है वो क्या है? वेजिटेबल्स. यहाँ पर जो काम हो रहा है वो वेजिटेबल्स कट रही हैं. मदर पर कोई असर नहीं पड़ रहा है, कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ रहा है. बट एम्फेटिक और रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में सब्जेक्ट जो एक्शन करता है उसका इफेक्ट वापस सब्जेक्ट पर ही पड़ता है. ओके, सो I have already told you which words are reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Now I am telling to you difference between reflexive or emphatic. Emphatic pronouns are always used just after the subject. Like in examples are given she herself. Now you can see herself has been used after she, after subject. He himself, she locked herself. In these sentences these words are used after subject. That's why these are emphatic pronouns. And there is a little bit difference. These words in emphatic pronouns, these words emphasis on the subject. That's why these are called emphatic pronoun. Emphasis का meaning होता है जोर डालना, दबाव डालना. And in reflexive pronoun, these words are used in mid of the sentence or at last. Like we can see in the example, he hurt himself while running. Now you can see उसे दौड़ते वक्त चोट लग गई. तो यहाँ पर जो himself है वो यूज़ हुआ है आफ्टर वर्ब, नॉट आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्सिव pronoun here. We can't say it is emphatic. We can see some more examples. Misha was angry with herself for the mistake. Now in this sentence we have used herself. Herself we have also used after the verb. That's why after the preposition, that's why it is reflexive, not emphatic. So students, today your homework is to learn reflexive and emphatic pronouns and try exercises.